Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you have completed with your good morning rhyme, prayers, phonic drill, days of the week and months of the year. Do the revision of color of the month, that is black and white, and shape of the month, that is curve shape. Also do the revision of hero of the month, that is Aryabhatta. Let's revise few lines about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, known as the ancient genius, he was the great Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was born in Kusumapura, now known as Patna, in Bihar. He invented numeric value 0 in the subject of mathematics. He discovered the time period of rotation of Earth around Sun 1500 years ago. Motions of the planets in solar system. Children, also do the revision of community helper, that is astronaut. Let's revise few lines about astronaut. Astronauts are also called spacemen. They travel in spaceship and spacecraft to space. They are away for months and years from their home to study space and planets. They study science and astronomy to become scientists to travel into space. Astronauts have to undergo training and testing, physical body check to travel in space. They are scientists who travel and work in space above Earth. Children, we will also do the revision of theme of the month, that is space, solar system. Let's revise. Sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. All planets revolve around our home star, the sun. First planet, Mercury, the smallest, tiny and closest planet to the sun. There is no water present on this planet. It is the fastest planet. It takes 88 days to complete one round of sun. Second, Venus, known as the evening or morning star. It is the hottest planet. It takes 225 days to complete one round of sun. Third, Earth, where we live. This is the only place where life exists. Most of the Earth's surface, about 70%, is covered with water. It takes 365 days to complete one round of sun. Mars, fourth one, it is also known as red planet. It contains red soil and rocks. Mars is very cold and dry, but water exists in form of ice. It takes 687 days to complete one round of sun. Fifth one, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is as big as 1300 Earth can fill in it. It takes 12 years to complete one round of sun. Sixth one, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet and is known for its rings. Rings are made of dust and ice. It contains gases. It takes 29.5 years to complete one round of sun. 7. Uranus. Uranus is a blue planet not because of water but because of gases that make it appear blue. It is also called ice giant. It takes 84 years to go once around the sun. 8 and last one, Neptune. Neptune is the most far planet from the sun. It is also called ice giant and it takes 165 years for Neptune to go once around the sun. Children, also do the revision of national symbols, national emblem, national flag, India's flag, national flower, lotus, national bird, peacock, national tree, banyan tree, and national animal, tiger. Children, today we will learn about use of water. Yes, use of water today we will learn. Let's start. How can we use water in many ways? How can we use water in many ways? In cooking, we use water in cooking. Mama make food for you. They use water for cooking. Drinking, we drink water. We use water for drinking. Yes or no? We drink water, so we use water. Washing clothes. Mama wash your clothes. So what she is doing? She is using water for washing clothes, to clean your clothes. Without water, how can she wash your clothes? She can't clean your clothes without water. Yes or no? So, cooking, making food, we use water. For drinking, for cleaning clothes, washing clothes, we use water. For taking bath, here also we use water. Without water, how can you do bath? No, it's not possible. So, we use water to take bath. We pour water to flowers. Yes. This is also we are using water. We are pouring water to flowers. So, this is also use of water. This is cleaning. Mummy is doing cleaning to your home. Yes or no? So, she is using water for cleaning. Making food, drinking water, washing clothes, taking bath, pouring water to flower and cleaning to your house. We use water in many ways. Yes or no? So we use water. We have to use water carefully. We don't have to waste water. Yes, we do. You don't have to waste water. You have to use water very carefully. Okay, children? While you are taking bath, you have to take water. You have to take enough water that how much you need to take bath. If you are drinking water, then you have to take water how much you need to drink. That quantity you have to take. Okay, children, now we'll meet in next class. Bye bye. See you. Do the revision.